Time to go drifting, baby. That was faster than sex, to be honest. It's a gorgeous day in the bay, baby. Come on, look, not a cloud in the sky. We're going to Snowmobile Raceway. We're gonna check out Velocity this weekend, and oh, it's gonna be action-packed. We got, to be honest, I was supposed to be leaving by 8 o'clock. It's now 9 o'clock. You know what I mean? But still, we're gonna make it. It's gonna be all right. Today, there's not a cloud in the sky. It's gonna be absolutely gorgeous, which that means it's gonna be absolutely hot in Sonoma. So I brought a change of clothes in case I'm just like, you know, I'm a fat guy. I tend to sweat, so if I sweat profusely, it's all right. And then again, I booked a slot with a pro drift driver, so, and just in case I shit my pants, I got a few extra shorts to pack along with me, you know what I mean? So we're heading on our way there now. I'm just looking forward to an epic day. If I don't record that much, it's because I'm enjoying it, you know what I mean? But I'll try to put a video together. I'm excited for it. It's my first time going to Velocity, to be honest, and I always miss Monterey Car Week. We usually go away for our birthday, so this is kind of my catch-up for Monterey Car Week, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm excited, man. I haven't been to this Velocity, and I always see all the ads and stuff for it. People rave about it, so we're gonna meet up with a few people there, and we'll check out Velocity and see what that's about, man. I'm excited, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Before 10 o'clock, no one's on the bridge, and it's a beautiful fucking day, bro. Come on. Woo. Woo. I love this. Cab life, baby! Cab life! Wind noise, wind noise. If you don't feel it, look at it. Hands out, it's not moving like crazy. Cameras in the face. I fucking love this. I fucking love this. Look at that view, man. Come on. You probably can't see that on the GoPro. I probably should get a real camera, but oh, it's so nice. Another convertible living it up. Time to go drifting, baby. Let's see what happens. Let's check out these cars here.
Doesn't look fast.
So which cars are active to drive? Not to drive, but to ride along.
That's going to be riding along. Right now there's going to be 5 of them. So this one here, the E46 M3,
okay,
the E36, the E46 back here,
oh, I see.
And then this 240 as well.
Gotcha, okay.
So most likely the one's going to be going.
What's that?
Most likely the one's going to be going.
Oh, gotcha.
These two are kind of iffy, but close.
Gotcha, gotcha.
This is animal styles.
Yeah. How do you guys get involved with this? Do they reach out to you guys and set up a crew?
Yeah,
Or, yeah, is that how it goes?
Yeah, Farouk reached out to the drivers. He wanted out here.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Who sets this on? Who's like the main person that?
Farouk.
Farouk?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's
pretty cool.
Yeah. And a lot of these people are people that come to like different events and things.
Yeah.
I've gotten to know Farouk over the years, and so he invites them out to do
Oh, that's pretty cool.
like more private events.
Yeah. Kind of builds that community too,
Exactly.
you know? That's nice.
So this is what
Oh, this is the pro car? I love that it's all just like snapped in together in case something happens, you know what I mean? I love it, man.
Here he is.
So dope. It's still going on too, right? Was it last weekend or?
The pro spec is done. I think.
It was a hell of a job, but you can see it's a sophisticated
Yeah.
It's also actually poked out the front as well. 670 brake horsepower.
Getting ready for the drift event. It's so loud. It's pointless even recording. Can't even hear anything. I gotta get a better camera. I am so sorry. But I'm excited. excited, man. There's stuff going on everywhere. It's like overwhelming in a weird way. Like you don't know where to go. When things start, you just kind of like, but after like a couple hours, you just kind of get comfortable with everything and kind of find your roots. But so much to see and do, and it's exhausting at the same time. I'm like, I'm so excited for this. So excited for this drift.
Ceremony to get things going. Like I said, it's the Travis Air Force Base color guard.
All right.
Get ready.
We're gonna be with Dustin.
How you doing, brother?
Get you all situated.
Good, how are you?
Good, good, thanks.
All right, I'm gonna have you lean forward real quick. Sorry.
These buckets are no joke now.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Have you ever been in a drift car before?
No, never been.
You like roller coasters?
Yeah, I love it all, bro.
Alright, it's basically the same thing.
All right, dope, man. This probably has a weight limit, though. I'm pretty snug. I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere. You know what I mean? My hips are like never been hugged like this before.
Even me in this one, I'm like,
Really?
whoa.
No way, really? Jesus Christ. I'm like 4 times your
Bucket
size.
seats are crazy.
Sorry, brother.
No, you're fine.
A few moments later.
Dope.
Perfect.
For a second, I thought I was gonna have to watch.
No, don't worry. Ladies and gentlemen, please tighten these up. All right.
Hey, you're stuck. You're not going
Ready?
anywhere in this thing.
If you ever need them to stop, just wait for me to play.
Yeah.
All right,
Thank you.
have a good time.
Appreciate it.
Always rather be safe than sorry.
Oh yeah. How long you been doing this?
Probably about 5 years now.
Oh, nice.
Basically, as soon as I turned 18, I was out here.
You know, really? That's sick, dude.
This is actually Boss's car.
Oh, really?
This is a street car, still street legal, ice cold.
Get out, really?
They'll cruise on the freeway at 80 miles an hour.
No way. Oh shit. Oh my god, I can't believe how snug this is. This is wild. How many runs you guys doing in a day?
I'd say on average 100, 150.
Get out, really? No shit.
And then it kind of depends on tire. If you have a lower horsepower car, they'll last a while.
Yeah.
If you have something like that green car over there,
Yeah.
that's an S13 with a crazy LS.
Oh, no way.
It's like
That's
800
butter, man.
horsepower.
Oh my god.
That's like
Takes nothing,
4
right?
laps.
Oh shit. Are you fluttering kind of like the gas? That's pretty much what you're not really using this guy. You're really using your
You are
gas?
kind of initially get the car sideways.
Uh-huh.
After that, you're kind of you want to use the throttle more to steer the car. Because if you're using the steering too much, the car's going to be all over the place.
Yeah.
And you want to be as smooth as possible.
Gotcha, okay.
And then you'll see me using this. This is a hydraulic e-brake.
Uh-huh.
So when I pull this, it just locks up the rear
Locks up.
wheels. And
Is it instant or do you have to kind of...
Instant. As soon as
Really?
I push the clutch in, as soon as I pull it,
It locks it up. Oh shit,
And
okay.
like this.
So it's not like your janky e-brake.
Yeah, so it's not like the stock one that locks it.
It's immediate grab,
Yeah,
huh?
so as soon as I pull it, that's locked, and that's off.
Really? Just like that?
So I can
But
do
as
that.
soon as you let go, it just
Yep.
releases?
Yep.
No shit, okay.
And so what that does is like if you want to back up the car a little bit, get the car in a better spot.
Yeah.
It'll kind of allow you to do that.
Kind of get you aligned.
Yeah, you'll kind of see me just to kind of get where I want the car. And,
Oh shit, okay. Thanks for the explanation, man.
Of course.
It's pretty roomy, man.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad, dude.
I would turn on the AC, but I don't.
Nah, you don't need that.
I don't want to lose the
But
horsepower.
yeah, exactly. Don't worry, the sweat just evaporates. It's like being out in the desert. Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! So sick, bro. Oh my god. dude. Was that it? We gotta go. Oh, all right. That's like an appetizer, bro. Oh my god, it goes by like a blur, man.
Yeah.
You really gotta be precise though.
Oh yeah. You gotta think really fast.
Oh yeah, dude. This is beautiful.
So he obviously loves what he does.
It's a whole different aspect of like racing, you know what I mean? It's so sick. Sick, man.
Smell a lot of burnt rubber.
Oh, that's a good. They should make a cologne out of that, yo. This is nice. That's a nice scent. Oh man, you get comfortable in these seats after a while, though. They really just hug you. Oh my god.
That's another big thing. Is like if you
That was
stop
epic
in
as
a
shit.
regular car, you're getting thrown all over the place.
Yeah.
You can't actually concentrate.
Oh, there's nothing that beats these seats, man.
How was that? Not too bad.
Oh, it was epic, dude.
Glad you liked it.
Oh my god, dude. I can see why you do this shit all the time.
I always tell people we love doing this as much as the people love doing ride-alongs. So any chance we can do this, I will be there.
Dude, that was like a second, dude. That was like, that's crazy.
Yeah, you gotta be very precise. You gotta know what you're doing 5 seconds ahead of what you're doing.
Oh, easy. Yeah. It's seconds. Not even a second that you're making any decisions, man. That is sick. Don't watch me get out of here. That's embarrassing. Don't watch me.
But then,
Can you
You can take your helmet off out here.
Oh, I don't know if I can get out.
Tight squeeze, yeah, definitely take it off.
Thank you so much.
You got everything?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Likewise, man. I'll see you.
Of course,
You too. Thank you.
you're local. Perfect.
It's spectacular. I think it's a very technical course. People that can be fast
Yeah, it is
here, can be
nuts.
fast anywhere.
I think I got everything.
It's a great track to learn on because of that.
That was-
it's fabulous. It has elevation.
That was faster than Sex, to be
tight
honest.
turns.
That was
it has
really
very
fast.
high-speed turns.
And that was
so
like seconds.
an amazing combination of different attributes that make it a very special place.
I'm amped. I just wanted to leave and do my own thing in my car. I'm covered in dirt. Maybe I shouldn't have the window. This is the ride he was talking about too. This was over at Steam. I got 2 Jay-Z's in it. Oh my god. I'm a little bit disheveled, but that was sick as shit. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing after this, but let's hit the tunnel and go check out some more of the venue.